Hello, today I'm gonna try to make the inflatable swan thing. The ridiculous inflatable swan thing. I think it's supposed to be a floaty and it just looks ridiculous. Like around this I'm just going to wing it. Hopefully it'll work out. Why am I making it so big? I hope I have enough cloth for this. If I don't have enough cloth, I'll have to make it smaller. What's so great about this meme is that people actually bought this thing. They actually made sales. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. I just love how supportive the internet is. And people are so funny. This is going to be the outside. This is going to be the floaty area, so I have to figure out how to cut that properly. Does it look like I'm making a toilet seat? And there's your toilet seat! We're done. This is the floaty thing. Oh yeah, wings. Okay, now I have to see if the wings are too big. Is the wings too big? I think the head is too small. Do you know any other animal that looks just as beautiful when they are hissing and mad at you? Do peacocks open their feather when they're... Okay, maybe peacocks are just as beautiful. You cannot convince me that bears are harmful. I like to live in my delusional world where bears are... This one! Oh my god! Hug and cuddle your massive bear. It's gonna be so big. It's huge, it's massive. Okay, so now I'm going to cut little crease so it gets smaller like that. And that's how we're gonna make it look inflated. It's not actually gonna look inflated, but that's the attempt. I really find it weird when people line their toilet seats with fluffy material. We all know that all the bacteria and all the shit particles are going to go on the material, right? Kinda looks like a sock puppet, but we're going to add eyes by popular demand. Would the eyes be too small? It's actually so cute. I love it. Why haven't I done this earlier? I haven't made the wings yet, but I'm going to flip it to see how it looks first. It actually looks pretty good. Like, it looks pretty good. Okay, don't get too excited yet. What if I don't put wings? Doesn't need wings. Let's do this quickly. I made it way too big. It's going to use up all my stuffing. If Flupa was a thing, it'll look like this. Oh no, the head is too heavy. No. Okay, let's hope it isn't too heavy. Why does he look like a worm? This is like the operation or surgery part. We're going to sew the limbs together. This reminds me of when I was younger and I went to the beach with my family. My parents bought us floaties because we never really had that. Like, we didn't have that luxurious life. So it was the first time we had like a blow up whale or something. But we were stupid, so we let that whale float away into the sea, into the deep, well, I think it was a beach, so technically it's a lake, but it was so deep that we couldn't get it back. It pushed the floaty all the way down near this massive boat, and I watched the kids on the boat pick up our floaty, and I used to remember thinking, damn, they're so mean. They just stole our floaty. But now when I look back on it, if they didn't steal it, it would have just been abandoned and lost on the lake, in the beach. And I think it's better that they took it and picked it up. Why is it twisted? Oh no. Pretty twisted, man, not gonna lie. Get it? Because his neck is twisted. We have an inflatable swan thing with literally fur flying everywhere. Wait, what? You actually have a pet swan? Well, I have the inflatable swan thing, okay? It's better.